Greetings, one love people, blessings, peace, truth and right, one aim, one destiny. Greetings from this, my ancestral place, this ancestral river, where my grandmother, my grandfather, my father, and my uncles and my cousins and my family used to come to bathe and wash clothes. I used to come here when I was young, around about 13, 14. When I just started to get interested in spirituality, I used to come here and meditate and listen to the sound of the river. Unfortunately, during my travels, I lost some of this natural spirituality. And in a sense now I'm relearning a lot of the things that I knew naturally when I was young. Now, a river is a good place to meditate. And recently I realized that meditation, one of the main purposes of meditation, apart from getting to know yourself and your higher self, is to realize your internal forces, to realize your energies, to come to terms with your frequency. Most of the time in the hustle and bustle of daily life, we are not aware of our energy, how we feel inside. What kind of energy are we sending into the world? Meditation helps us to attune to these energies. Silence and meditation. In silence and meditation, we can focus our attention on how we feel. Are we vibrating at a low frequency of anger or anxiousness, nervousness? Are we vibrating on the level of fear or deceit? All of these feelings can be felt. Yeah! We can feel feelings. And because we can feel feelings, we can sense the vibrations that we're sending into the world. And all the vibrations that we send into the world come forward to us. And this is how we create our reality. When we learn to sense our frequency, we can learn to live from our frequency. That is, instead of being occupied with our intellect, our thoughts about daily life, our thoughts about the past and about the future. Instead of doing this, we can focus our intention and attention on how we feel. And when we become good at this, we can learn how to raise our vibration, raise our frequency. We realize that when we focus on our energies, the focus alone, our awareness raises our vibration. The reason why our awareness raises our vibration is because our awareness is connected to our higher self, and our higher self is connected to limitless intelligence. Our higher self is connected to the universal intelligence that runs through all of creation. So my advice to ones and ones today is to find more time to realize your frequency and learn to live from your frequency. The more that we are able to do this, the more we have control over the reality that we are creating. I just had a bathe under that waterfall. This is where I used to come with my family in the morning and wash and swim and meditate. Giving thanks to the Almighty God. Jah! Also giving thanks to the many ancestors who I know and those who I don't know. The Taino Arawak ancestors, the Maroon ancestors, slave ancestors, African ancestors, all African ancestors. Peace and love. Jah! Rastafari.